Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to measure a small bathroom floor. We have an irregular shaped room here, so we have a corner cut out that eats into the floor space. But don't get bothered by this, especially if it's a small area. We're going to take the longest by the deepest, and that should give us a good overall measurement. So, handy tip, put your foot on the measuring tape. And that'll bring us right over. We have 2 meters or 200. Then we take the deepest part. Again, foot on the measuring tape. And we have 1.35. So this bathroom floor is 2 by 1.35. And we will show you in the next step how to calculate that, enter the measurements onto our website and price amongst multiple floors. Okay, so now we're going to look up our bathroom floor. Okay, so we know our measurements. We already have our kitchen backsplash saved here. So we want to add a new room dimension. So this time we're going to call this bathroom floor. Okay. Again, we have the option to enter in the total space calculated by yourself or the width by the length, which is the easiest thing to do. So we had a width of 2 meters and a length of 1.35 meters. So we're going to save and update price. Okay. So now we're on bathroom floor. We're going to look up some flooring options. The tile we had on that bathroom floor is Himalaya Makalu. So we're going to go over here and look this up. So we can see now that already it's giving me a price for the bathroom floor based on the area I have entered. But this will be the same for any tile. So any floor tile at all, once I click into it now, because I have the bathroom floor measurements, it's actually giving me a price for all the bathroom floors and all the multiple products. If I want to switch back and get a price for our kitchen backsplash, all we have to do is go back to kitchen backsplash, and again, it'll give me a price for the kitchen backsplash in any of the products on the screen. So you can add as many rooms as you want. You can try as many products as you like. It's very versatile.